Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review. I'll do the unboxing first, then review and the trying on these clothes that I received from a company called Sthcute. I hope I pronounced the company's name right. I'll also put it on the screen for you ladies to see. Sthcute. They have so many amazing outfits on their website. They have for different occasions, talking about birthday, talking about cocktail, talking about going to engagements, and their styles are very versatile in the sense that some of them look like trending. If you're not into trending, don't worry, they got you, because they do have the classic style there as well. Also something you can call classy. And the most amazing thing about their website is they are very affordable. They give you quality outfit at an affordable price. And you all know on this channel we are all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. However, before we jump into today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do give this video a thumbs up. Please do share with your friends, because you're going to love what I'm about to share with you. Alright ladies, share with your friends and family. Alright, I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to Sthcute for partnering with me on this video today. And ladies, we're going to go ahead and move onto the unboxing. Also ladies, I would like to share this with you. I have a discount code. I'll put it on the screen. Also, it's going to be in the description box to shop on their website. In the description box also, I'm going to leave their link to the website. Also, it will take you directly to the clothes that I'm featuring today. I have 2 clothes to feature for you today, and you're going to love them because I'm loving them already. Alright ladies, without further ado, I'm going to jump into the unboxing. Then we're going to talk about the details on the dresses, and we're going to move on. It's a dress and a jumpsuit. I take that back because I said dresses. Alright, I don't want to misquote myself. Anyway, I'm going to jump into the unboxing, and we're going to talk about the detailing of this clothes. Then we're going to jump into trying it on for you ladies to see the fits. Alright, don't forget, this website is all about classy, classic, affordable, quality, affordable prices for your outfits. Check them out. So these are the 2 products I have to feature today. This is the jumpsuit and this is the dress. Guess what ladies, you know how corset is kind of in thing for most of the outfit I've been seeing, especially if you're from my country, Nigeria. You see that most of our outfits now, especially the traditional one, they put this corset style going on. This dress is a corset dress. You're going to see it. I can't wait to try it on for you all. So I just wanted you all to see the package. This is the company I'm working with today, Sthcute. They are all about quality, affordable dresses, jumpsuits for different occasions, birthday, cocktail, engagements. You can wear them during the summer, during the spring, and some of them you can wear them during the winter, depending on how you want to layer them up. So let's quickly talk about the details. You can see at the front of it, it has a padded bra, which I like. Alright, it has a padded bra. So in this kind of outfit, you can decide not to wear a bra. You can just wear it like that, cut out at the front. That's the style. And also at the same time, it does have this adjustable strap, which means you can adjust it to fit your shoulder length to make it look comfortable for the way you like it. And if you look at it on the side, it's slitted all the way down. The most thing that I love about it that I can't even wait to talk much about is the corset style. How it's going to snatch your waist in the middle section, and just give you that silhouette, that feminine vibe that you're going for. And also ladies, I forgot to mention the zip. There's a zipper on the corset dress too, which I forgot to show you all. So the first one I'm featuring is called the satin cutout size slit corset evening gown. They do have this in different sizes. The sizes range from extra small to extra large. They also have it in another color, which is the lavender. I'm presenting the black one today. This outfit can be worn for different occasions, and also in the summertime, during the springtime, autumn, autumn or winter time. Like I said, if you layer it up, you can still wear it during the winter time. This is also the event that this kind of outfit will fit for. It's so versatile. Depending on where you're going, you could use it for, you know, for a champagne night, like you're just going to the bar, you're going to a cocktail. You can use it for girls' night out. You can use it for dining. Also, you can use it for birthday or engagement, depending on how you want to style it. And this is a versatile, quality and very comfortable, affordable dress for different occasion.
Your eyes tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't want to spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move.
Ladies, there's something I want you to be very mindful of. The corset does not give that tight, uncomfortable feeling. The corset adjusted, the corset attached with this dress is just perfect. It's like I can breathe. It's not tight. Remember, this is size medium and it fit me perfectly. I like the way it fits. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. So it makes the corset area to be very comfortable for me. So the next one I'm presenting, this one is a sequin strap jumpsuit. They do have it in different color. They have it in pink, which is the Barbie pink, and they have it in white, and also they do have it in pop white, but they have it in gold. The sizes range from extra small to extra large. The occasion, it's timeless. That's what I can say about this jumpsuit, especially this color that I chose, which is white. It's classic. You can wear it year round. So they have for different occasions, depending on where you're going to. You can use it during the spring, the summer, autumn, also during the winter time, depending on how you're going to layer it. So with this one, you can either wear it like a tube, just like that. It's still going to give you that silhouette feminine look. Also, you can use the stripe that came with it, just attach them with it and you're good to go. That give it more, make it look more gorgeous and make it look more kind of very occasion, like very ceremonial, very fit for the occasion that you're going for if you're wearing this jumpsuit. And I love the fact that it came with that belt, which you can just adjust to insert your waist. It's really beautiful. The belt is just one. I really like that idea. I don't know who came up with that concept. Another thing I noticed that I forgot to share with you all is that this jumpsuit is lined inside from top to the bottom. Like there's no way anybody's going to see anything on that there. It's not transparent, it's not see-through. It's high quality, very comfortable and very affordable.
It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't want to spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with.
Alright ladies, please do not forget to check in my description box for the link to Sthcute's website. Also the link that will link you to take you directly to this outfit that I featured today. One thing I want you to take away from this video is that they are all about producing quality, comfortable and at affordable price. That's what they're all about. Their styles are very versatile. Like you can style them in so many ways. You all know me that I'm all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. And I'm going to come back again with another video to show you all how I'm going to restyle these two outfits. Yes, I promise by the grace of God, I will do that. And I will show you how I'm going to restyle them. And you're all going to love it again. You know I love to restyle my outfits, right? Anyway, and I wear my outfits multiple ways, multiple times because I'm an outfit repeater. Alright, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Thank you all so much for watching and thank you Sthcute for sponsoring this video. Thank you all and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.